Honorable Speaker, I wish to thank the Kangogo Bowen Committee because they complied fully with the relevant legal provisions insofar as matters to do with public participation is concerned. I have read the report of the committee. It is very clear that they conducted public participation.
Honorable Timothy, if that's your phone, you'll need to put it on silent. Yeah.
I actually was looking for it, Honorable Speaker. Honorable Speaker, if you look at this report by the Kangogo Bowen Committee, they have captured clearly that they conducted public participation. And that is in clear spirit with the provisions of the Constitution, which provides that the people of this country must speak to any document that this parliament passes. So that when we speak as members of parliament, we speak for and on behalf of the people of the Republic of Kenya, and we must also get their views before passing any document of this House. So, Mr. Speaker, this document has qualified insofar as the aspect of public participation is concerned. Honorable Speaker, Honorable Mulugara, the chair of JLAC, has raised a very fundamental issue which I wish to associate myself with. And I'm happy that already there is a pending amendment to the Treaty Making and Ratification Act so that matters of public participation must also be conducted insofar as this House is concerned. Honorable Speaker, sometimes we find it awkward when we encounter these documents firsthand at the floor of the House. Honorable Speaker, if you read the way the Treaty Making and Ratification Act is the wording of the particular provisions of the sections of the law, it provides that Parliament has no role actually. Our role is just either to accede as a whole or to provide for some reservations, but we have no say on the documents. So, Honorable Speaker, that bill that the Honorable Mulugara has talked about, the amendment bill on Treaty Making and Ratification Act, is very important so that members of Parliament in this House can have a say on these treaties before the chairs of committees bring it before the floor of the House. Honorable Speaker, having said that, I have also read the report of the committee. One is the importance of us as a House ratifying this treaty is that we will guarantee security to our fishermen. Honorable Speaker, many other times that our fishermen have been harassed in the high seas. So that, of course, affects our fishermen in one way or the other. So it is incumbent upon this House to protect our fishermen because that is an area that we must invest in this country so that we can be able to earn revenue as a country. Honorable Speaker, the report also says that it will promote sustainable fisheries to support food security, poverty alleviation, and the preservation of marine biodiversity. If there is a biodiversity, Honorable Speaker, that we must protect in this country and has been left out in law is the marine biodiversity. So I believe that the ratification of this particular treaty will promote the issue of marine biodiversity in this country, and it will be progressive if we ratify the same as a House so that we can protect that particular diversity. Honorable Speaker, also to provide what we call a level playing field for fishers and fishery-related industries. Honorable Speaker, so that we compete as a global community, so that we progress as a country, we must be part and parcel of the international community insofar as establishment.
1 more minute for you, Honorable Kipchumba.
Yes, Honorable Speaker. So that, Honorable Speaker, we become part and parcel of the global community so far as protecting our marine diversity is concerned, or biodiversity. Then, Honorable Speaker, we must be able to ratify this particular protocol. Honorable Speaker, also, in terms of sustaining the fishing industry in this country, there is no way that as a country we can be able to say we want to preserve and sustain our fishing industry without being part of the global community. Several countries have ratified this treaty. there is absolutely no reason, Honorable Speaker, as a country that there is no reason why, as a country, we cannot ratify this particular treaty. Honorable Speaker, also, if you read this report, it says it will help in granting access to targeted technical assistance and capacity building support for developing country members and LDCs. Honorable Speaker, we are a developing country, and we appreciate that. And therefore, if we are to progress, Honorable Speaker, we have to do more technical assistance and capacity building in terms of supporting our fishing industry in this republic. Honorable Speaker, for those reasons, I support to the extent that this treaty complies with Article 61E and 69(1)A, which provides that these articles, that is, of course, what I've mentioned, are for productive, sustainable exploitation, utilization, management, and conservation of the environment and natural resources, as well as equitable sharing of accruing benefits. So, Honorable Speaker, this protocol, this treaty, complies with Article 2, 5, and 6, as well as Article 61A and 69(1)A of the Constitution. I thank you, Honorable Speaker.